Mike Gish with MarineMax Maryland, and I'm here today on this 2018 Sea Ray 520 Flybridge. Let's start at the transom of the boat. Hydraulic swim platform with the integrated stairs. Transom gourmet cooking space. And a very unique feature on this boat is the rear facing aft slider. Can change the cockpit to a couple different configurations, from your standard U-shape to a rear facing entertainment area. So we walk into the cockpit space itself. You can see there's quite a bit of room back here for your party and entertaining. Teak flooring throughout. Large sliding glass door to enter into the main salon. Walking directly from the cockpit into the aft galley, Sea Ray has done a great job here setting you up for all the entertainment, from a wine cooler, 2-burner stove, upper storage compartments, and fridge freezer drawers. All the space you're going to need. Moving forward, we go into the main salon with the opposed seating. Again, plenty of room for 6 to 8. Lounge out or watch the large television. As we continue moving forward to the helm, this boat is powered by twin Cummins 600 QSB motors with pod drives, giving it joystick docking maneuverability. Very, very easy to drive and control at the dock. With the addition to the pods, you get high efficiency when you're in the cruising speeds. We do have full Ray Marine electronics on this vessel, including a FLIR camera system, radar, GPS, and an integrated autopilot. Moving downstairs, we can work our way to the master stateroom. Full beam master stateroom. Light coming in on either side through the large windows, as well as a full queen size island bed. Very easy to get in and out of, make in the morning. You do have a full size television, flat screen television, as well as some great hanging storage lockers on both sides of the boat, including 6 pull-out drawers for extra storage. Of course, this being the master stateroom, you do have a full separate head for it, separate shower stall, vacuum flush head, a very nice vessel sink, and quite a bit of storage on it. Moving forward, we go to the VIP stateroom of this boat. Again, we get the full queen-sized island berth, light from either side, and 2 full hanging lockers. You do have access to the day head as well, through your own private separate entrance, which again has a standalone shower stall, vacuum flush head, and quite a bit of storage. As an added bonus, this 52 Fly does have a 3rd stateroom. It has twin singles, which can be converted into a double. You'll also have a large hanging storage locker and some overhead storage bins, accompanied by a large viewing window, taking away that cave feeling. With this being Sea Ray's Fly model, this boat does have a great stairway up to the upper bridge fly area. Starting at the helm, we do have a full Ray Marine electronics package up here as well. Joystick docking, so you can dock from down below or topside, as well as all the controls you need to run the boat. Looking forward, you have room for 3 to sit and face forward as you cruise along at 25 to 27 miles an hour. Moving back towards the entertainment space, you're going to find a very nice fold-out teak table. Makes it easy to access, but also gives you the space you need if you do care to entertain. Speaking of entertaining, we do have a full upstairs entertainment space with an ice maker and sink, as well as a control for your stereo. On this particular boat, we do have the aft sure shade coming off the back of the hardtop. Great way to get yourself out of the sun if you spend too much time there already in the day. In addition to the hard top that is on this model, we do have the retractable sunshade. So if you want to get some extra rays while running across the bay, you do have that option. So in addition to being able to operate this boat from the upper and lower helm, you can also dock it from the transom docking station. Great visibility, you can see right what you're backing into. Again, Mike Gish on our 2018 Sea Ray 520 Fly. Stop in, give us a call at any of our locations in Maryland. We'd love to give you more information or get you out on a sea trial.